So I was just explaining on a video that I took with the camera that it took me 1 hour to get here, and that I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use a camera for my travels, my trips, because it's a whole lot of weight and the GoPro is just little. Next thing that I'm doing right now, and it's kind of easy to do with a GoPro, is I got the GoPro Seeker 2.0, of course, which gives me the opportunity to like mount this onto my backpack, and I don't have that with the camera, so I can very easily take the GoPro from here into my hand and start recording. About a month or two ago, I found this place out here, and I always wanted to come back, but I never took the time and just never came back. But today we're starting to have good weather again, so I thought about, let's just check it out. The place is this one. Ain't this cool? And we're gonna go all the way there. We're gonna explore, we're gonna see some birds, we're gonna see some animals, you know, that we might not see normally. So yeah, excited. Let's get out there. Whoa. Oh, this is beautiful. Whoa, save me brakes. Just look at this. Full nature everywhere. Wow. That's amazing. And just look at this. Whoa. I mean, I love this. It looks like some cracked ground over there. Whoa. Gotta love this, man. With all this beauty around here, I don't know where to go. We can go that way. Can go that way. Can go that way. Let's just take a minute and relax out here. Check this out. Like during all my travels, there's always something that I managed to break. This time I broke the mount for the GoPro that goes in there. So let's go there and find some more things. Nice little bench. That looks cool. Now check out the beauty out there, okay? And then I want to show you something I've never seen in nature before, and I think it's some kind of new creature. Here we go. Wow, just look at that. That looks really different. What might that be? And just look at this. This is so special. Like, I think it looks major cool, man. And I could even do some longer exposures out here. Just look at this. Did I show you enough, or do you want to see more? Let's go. Oh my God, I think I found something so beautiful up there. But first, I want to go there. So hold on. I'm gonna start with the forest first, behind me, and then I'm gonna show you something that I just passed by, and I think that is pretty cool. Wasn't that cool? Oh, this is so cool. We're gonna have a close encounter with the horses. Just chilling. He's drinking right now. So beautiful out here, man. So it's time to leave my friend behind and then gonna go further.